Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and before we proceed, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so that you will get notified on the next video that I'm going to upload. Alright, so watch out, shout out to all my maths fanatics. So today we're going to learn about still on fraction, and we're going to subtract fractions with different denominator. Okay, in my last video we solved fractions with the same denominator. We subtract fractions with the same denominator, but this time we're going to subtract fractions with different denominator. Alright, so let's go. Okay, so for example, if you have 2 over 9, so if you have 2 over 9 minus 1 over 6, right? So as you can see, the denominator is not the same. Okay, so how to subtract this kind of fractions? So the process is the same in adding up fractions with different denominator. So do you still remember the process? So in here, so we use 6 here. Okay, we use 6 to multiply it here. So times 6, and then this one is also times 6, right? While here is we use this one to multiply it here. So this one is times 9, then this one is times 9, right? Then okay, we multiply 2 times 6 is 12 over 9 times 6 is 54. Okay, minus 1 times 9 is 9 over 54. So 6 times 9 is 54. Okay, and in our previous video we just, since the denominator is already the same, so we just subtract this. Yeah, so what is 12 minus 9? So that is 3 over 54, right? So it's 3 over 54. Okay, but 3 over 54 can be simplified by dividing by 3. Yeah, dividing by 3. So when you divide 3 divided by 3 is 1. Okay, and 54 divided by 3 is, so 1 and 8. Yeah, so it's 1 over 18. Okay, so therefore when you subtract, okay, see there, so when you subtract 2 over 9 minus 1 over 6, the answer is 1 over 18. Alright, did you get that? Okay, so let's take another example. Okay, our example number 2 is, for example, if we have 5 over 7, okay, minus 1 over 3. So the same process, so we use this one to multiply it here. This one will become, oh, you cannot see, I'm going to change the pen. Okay, so this one is times 3, right? And then this one is also times 3, right? While this one we use 7 to multiply it here. So this one is times 7, and this one is times 7. Okay, so then 5 times 3 is 15, right? And then 7 times 3 is 21. Okay, minus 1 times 7 is 7, 3 times 7 is 21. Okay, Then again, the same process, we just subtract. Since the denominator is already the same, we just subtract this part and then this part. Right, so what is 15 minus 7? And the answer is 8 over 21. Can we simplify 8 over 21? Is there any number, okay, which we can use to divide these two numbers? So if there's nothing, so we can leave this one as our answer when we subtract 5 over 7 minus 1 over 3, and the answer is 8 over 21. Alright? Okay, for the third example, so if you have 9 over 16, yeah, so 9 over 16 minus 1 over 4. Okay, so in this case, okay, to make the denominator the same, we just multiply 4 by 4, okay, and then 1 times 4. Okay, so we don't need to multiply this 1, because when you multiply 4 times 4, you get 16, so the denominator is already the same, right? So you just copy it, like 9 over 16, okay, then minus 1 times 4 is 4, then 4 times 4 is 16, right? Then after that, remember, we just subtract this one. Okay, so what is 9 minus 4? And 9 minus 4 is 5 over 16, right? So we don't need to simplify this one, because this is already a simplest form, right? So there's no number where we can divide these two. So the answer, when we subtract 9 over 16 minus 1 over 4, the answer is 5 over 16. Alright? Okay, let's take the last example in this topic. So if you have like 2 over 3, so 2 over 3 minus 1 over 8, right? So 2 over 3 minus 1 over 8. So the first step is you have to make the denominator the same. So how? So you can use 8 here to multiply it here. So 3 times 8, and then this one is times 8, right? And then you can use 3 here to multiply it here. So this one is times 3, and then this one is times 3. Okay, and then simplify. 2 times 8 is 16 over 3 times 8 is 24. Okay, minus 1 times 3 is 3 over 8 times 3 is 24. So since the denominator is already the same, okay, so you can just subtract this part and this part. Okay, so 16 minus 3 is 13 over 24. So can you simplify this fraction? So if there's no number that you can use to divide these two numbers, so this is already a simplest form, right? So therefore, when you subtract 2 over 3 and 1 over 8, the answer is 13 over 24. Okay, so that's all for this lesson. So hope you like it, and if you want to learn more about math lessons, so please don't forget to subscribe and click the button, right, and like or share if you want. Okay, so let's spread knowledge to everyone who needs maths. Okay, thank you so much.